Hello everyone, welcome today, another day with new puzzles and Sudokus. Not true. Because in today's newspaper on Thursday, March the 17th, 2022, we have only one regular Sudoku, and it's Medium Sudoku. Not so good news, because in this newspaper there's no extra there are no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No additional with Sudokus or puzzles. I think yesterday and the day before also no additional. I think the publisher has stopped publishing those extra puzzles. Well, what I will do is, in my archive I have another additional, and let me zoom this. It's the edition of Wednesday, March the 2nd, 2022. Yes, 3 puzzles are left: Letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, and the tectonic. I will do this in the evening later on, but first, this regular Sudoku Medium. This will be number, I believe 4270. 4270. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in additional, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. And for 2 star Sudoku, my time limit is 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright. Okay. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. 3 1s, 3 2s, 4 4s, 3 5s, 3 6s, 2 7s, 2 8s, and 2 9s. 2 9s, yes. Well, how about the 4? Yes, 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be here. Yeah. Then I cannot continue with the 4. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 3. We have a 9 and a 3 in this column, so no 9 and 3 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 9 and 3, 9 and a 3. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers: the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, 2 and the 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. So we have a 2 in this column, last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Alright. Okay. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 2 now. How about the 8 in this row? Third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Only. You see that 8? No 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay. Alright. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the middle rows, and a row above. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Oh, there. You see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. We have 4 3s. Overlooked. Wow. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes here. 3 in the second row, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 9. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 3. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. We have a 3 there. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 3. Okay. Alright. How about yeah. 6. Thinking. 6. 6. Well, 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in the last column. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, the 3, the 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this middle row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9. It goes there. Then 6, the 1, 6, 1, and the 4. Interesting. Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this third row. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in this column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For number 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 4. Yeah. Hmm. 4, 4. 1, 1. We have a 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers are 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 it goes there. Alright. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in the third row. For number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in this column, third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Yeah. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row, so the row B3. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 5. Yeah. How about these 2 numbers in this column? 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And 7 and 9. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box should be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 6. 9 in this row. Last row, 9 in that row, so the row between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this row, first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Well, I cannot continue with the 7. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 7. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see that 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1 box left in this last row for the number 1. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers. Oh, we already have a 1 there. Woo! Correction. We have a 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Now 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4, the 9, 4, and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4, it goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Find no 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, told you. Between 15 and 20 minutes, I need to solve a 2 stars puzzle. Alright, great. Medium Sudoku. Yeah. I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 5 weeks. 862, 862, 581, 581, and 325. 325. We have here 3 pairs. Amazing. The 8, the 5, and the 2. 3 pairs. Alright, great puzzle. And by the way, did I talk about the daily news? No. Well, the daily news, day number 22. Yeah, 22. War, day number 22 is today. The war in Ukraine. Wow. 3 weeks, more than 3 weeks, they are in war with Russia. With Putin. Yes, Putin. Anyway, thank you for watching. And yeah, we have no extra puzzles in this newspaper of today. So I will do the rest of the puzzles of a couple weeks ago. Oh, apologies. The Wednesday edition, yes, March the 2nd. In the evening, I will continue with this additional. Alright, so see you then. Bye-bye for now.